Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best deals at Walgreens for the week of August the 17th to the 23rd. And there is one freebie on my radar in this flyer right off the bat. We'll discuss that in a couple. But the first thing I want to talk about is the different boosters. So on Wednesday morning, this is always a year mileage may vary. A lot of these started showing up. The top one is off of a Halloween purchase. 5 back when you spend 25 or 10 back when you spend 50. 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G Olay products, and the bottom one is a 10 back when you spend 45. My suspicion is that the last two will in fact stack. And the Halloween one, we'll have to wait and see, what kind of Halloween stuff we're going to buy. Let me say Halloween again another couple times. And yeah, if you have them, load them right away for next week. Let's not forget, class, this is simply a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 17th. So that's when all these prices will switch over to the prices we're talking about. And we're simply previewing the possible deals for that specific week. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. It really helps me out and the channel. If you guys could take a second and like the video, thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so the first piece of business is that free shampoo, the Shea Moisture Hair Care at $10 with a 10 off of 2, I believe. We'll have to wait and see what coupon is provided, but earn a $10 reward when you spend 20. There it is. That's a complete freebie. So grabbing 2 of these shampoos for 20, subtracting that digital coupon. Again, we have to wait and see what they're providing us on Sunday morning. But if it is in fact a 10 off 2, you would pay 10, get back a $10 register reward, making this free. Now, alternatively, if it's the Nexus product, it's still going to be a great deal, but this is one shampoo deal we want to keep on our radar. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I know a lot of you either like Shea or Nexus, so this is definitely the week to stock up on that fanciness. Next deal is the best deal for toothpaste this week. I know a lot of you are fans of the Hello toothpaste. They're going to be $5, $5 reward when you purchase 2, and we'll have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Really easy deal. Grabbing 2 of those for 10, subtracting the $4 coupon, you'll pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per toothpaste. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you were going to go with the Colgate Total, I think there is also a fetch rebate for that. So double, triple check and photograph your receipt to fetch. And I think mine is spend 15 to earn back $2. So yours might be 10 for $2. It might be a little bit better. So you might want to investigate that. Another fantastic deal that we have is the Dove shampoo for $5, $5 reward when you purchase 2 with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So hopefully your store still has some of these magical bottles in stock. Grabbing 2 of them for 10, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per bottle of shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Moving it along, guys, we are now looking at the $4.99 Bounty Charmin paper products. A lot of us are trying to really build a little stockpile of paper. Grabbing 3 of these with no digital coupons, that would be $14.97. You're getting back a $3 register reward, making it $11.97 for the 3 or $3.99 per paper product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have register rewards such as Garnier, Tresemme last week, throw them into this deal so you're paying a lot less out of pocket just to be smarter, but not a bad deal for some cheap paper. This next deal, I have a feeling that we're going to get a 7 off of 2 from The Secret and a 7 off 2 for the Old Spice. If Old Rage is correct on this, here's the deal. You're going to grab 2 Secrets, 2 Old Spice for $26.36. Load the 2 7 off 2 digital coupons, so $14 is coming off. You're getting back an $8 register reward, making it $4.36 for the 4 or $1.09 per deodorant. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but we're going to have to double, triple check that the 7 off 2 is for both the Secret and the Old Spice. Let's hope it is. And I know IBOTTA had rebates back, so maybe for the Old Spice scan in store, you might get extra money. This might be a complete freebie. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the Dove body wash for $7, $2 reward when you purchase 2 with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Not the best deal, but if you are hurting for this body wash, this is a deal. 2 of these for $14, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10, get back a $2 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But, I mean, if you really want to stock up, not a bad deal. And now the Walgreens diapers are 2 for $50 Walgreens promo card with purchase. So I'm not sure if you have to bring up a $5 gift card or they're just going to give you a code for one. So maybe ask a manager at the store, because this one is kind of new to me and I don't want to stray you guys in the wrong direction. In the past for these, you just bring up a gift card like for $5 and then it zeroes out and then it'll be on your card for $5. But just ask a manager, say, hey, I saw this in the flyer. Grabbing 2 bags for $15, subtracting that $2 digital, you'll pay $13, get back a $5 gift card, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per bag of diapers. That is a really great price point, guys. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And then the next deal for all of the fans of the Dawn dish soap, and I know a lot of us are, it's $9.99, $4 reward when you purchase 2. And these items, will there be digital coupons? Yes, no, maybe so. We'll have to wait and see. But 2 of these for $19.98, get back a $4 register reward. It makes it $15.98 for the 2 or $7.99 per Dawn, and it's the big one. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's get into some of these honorable mentions. The first one goes to this. If there is a smaller like toothpaste and toothbrush coupon, maybe, but to buy $20 to get a $4 register reward, absolutely not. But if they can give us a better coupon for a paste and a brush or a mouthwash, maybe. Throw that one on the back burner. 2 for $10 for the L'Oreal Elvive. It says clip coupon. So will they give us like a really good manufacturer? This potentially could be another great deal. I know a lot of you love Elvive. And we have $5.99 for soft soap, Irish Spring bath care. With the $2 digital, it's going to make it $3.99 for one of these bottles of Magic. My store, unfortunately, no longer carries the liquid Irish Spring, which is really odd. We have the 4 for $10 on the All Purex Snuggle Laundry Care. I know the All Free and Gentle, or the scent-free one, there is a little IBOTTA rebate for that one. Possibly this could be a deal, but $2.50 per. Fantastic. And this one, I mean, fantastic. 4 for $9 with these laundry care products. It basically makes it $2.25 per. If you have your rewards to throw into the mix, I would absolutely do it to get this stuff, especially if you're a newer couponer. Buy 2, get 3rd for free on foot care. That's right till the end of the month. If you ever have really bad blisters or, cracked toenails, you really know the value right here. Been going through that myself. Buy one, get one 50% off with a $10 reward when you purchase 3. If there are some reasonable digital coupons, this potentially can be a deal. We'll have to wait and see what is presented to us. And let's talk about food. We have the 2 for $10 with the DiGiorno pizza. Definitely bring a cooler if you live in a really hot climate. Heck, it's been 100 degrees here all the time, so you need a cooler even if you're picking up these items. 2 for $4 for the Skippy with back to school right around the corner. Why not? And we have a buy one, get one free on Pop-Tarts, and also the Ballpark Franks, buy one, get one free. Get all your groceries at Walgreens. And then my crazy addiction right now, Cool Ranch Doritos. That is a really good deal. I need to buy every single bag in Michigan because I have a problem. I love Cool Ranch Doritos. I have to pull that Cool Ranch Doritos sweet tooth because I can't get enough of them. And if you're a really big coffee drinker, we have a buy one, get one free on the La Colombe coffee. I don't know how they craft this coffee, but it's like magic in a can. So for a buy one, get one free promotion, I definitely will be grabbing one of those. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.